I'll show you how to add music to your Instagram Reels and also go over a solution to a problem you may have. So if you guys find this useful, please consider subscribing, and once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like, and let's get right into this guide. Adding music to your Instagram Reels can make them really stand out, and also I'll show you some solutions to some problems you may have when trying to add music. The first thing we need to do is go to the camera on Instagram, so I'm going to go to the home page like so, and then swipe across just like this. And then what I'm going to do is going to select Reel at the bottom of the screen. One way you can go and add music to your Reels is before you start recording. So what you can do is go onto the left hand side of Instagram, we've got all these options, and you can go and tap on that music icon in the top like this. And then what you can do is choose a song. So you could go and search for a song, maybe I might want a Drake song. Now if a certain type of music, like there are no Drake songs appearing, I'll show you a fix to that in just a moment. But yeah, that is how one way you can add songs. I might add this one here, and then what you can do is choose a piece of the song you want to use and then press done in the top right. And then when you record, that song is going to go and start playing. And the other way you can go and add music to a reel is to firstly go and record some like this. And then after you've gone and recorded the video, go and tap next in the bottom right. And then what we can do is then go and add music to it after you've gone and filmed it. Go to the top of your screen and click on that music icon again. And then what you can do is then go and add a song. For example, this one here, you can choose what part of the song you want to use, then press done in the top right. And then it's now going to be playing, and you can also go and adjust the volume and things by clicking on the music icon at the top and pressing on controls. And then as you can see, you can adjust the camera audio versus the song audio. So adjust it to your liking. Now, if you're finding that those certain songs aren't appearing, like Drake and other popular artists and sort of copyrighted songs, this is because of the type of account you have. It's likely that you've got a business account on Instagram. So just go and close off this reel like so, and just go and press quit. So what you need to do is go back to your profile. So one solution that is working at the moment, but I'm not sure if it will continue to work, is you go and change what your business is. So if you go and click on edit profile, then what you can do is go down to category, and if you set entrepreneur, then that is going to allow you to go and use copyrighted music, but that may not be working in the future. The best way is to go and switch your account back to a personal account or to a creator account as well. So to do that, you go to the top right of the profile page and tap on the three bars, and then tap on settings, and then scroll down to account, and in account, scroll to the bottom, and then you can tap on switch account type, and then you can either go and switch to creator or personal account like this. And I'm now going to switch now, and it should only take a moment. Then once it's done that, we can now go back to our Instagram homepage. I'll swipe across and select reel, then tap on audio. And if I go and now search for Drake, for example, it should now appear. As you can see, you've got God's Plan, Non-Stop, all the big ones.